exactly what I'm talking about. Anyhow, I don't want to go there. You know, this is just this.
You already went there, though.
You know what I'm saying? He had like a whole
I got my
like.
guard up now. You know, like I'm just moving forward. This is like we moved in September. This occurred in October. Come New Year's, now she's telling me she's pregnant.
Oh shit.
So
that's why she wasn't drinking on the trip.
In the cruise,
She ain't want to drink on the cruise. You know, everybody can say, why you not drinking? Because she normally a drunk. And when she get drunk, she starts shit. So all of a sudden, she ain't want to drink.
Nothing happened. Like, sorry, like nothing intercourse-wise happened there. But I had my eyebrow like, what you, like, of course I'm questioning you. You know what I'm saying? And then she's telling me that, what are you talking about? Like, we're moving forward with our lives, even though I am, you know, skeptical about things. To say that, like, I'm true, what are you talking about? Like, that was the one thing from yesterday that I was just like, unbelievable. And this is what gaslighting is. You know what you did 2 months ago. But to deflect the truth here, you're trying to throw in this BS. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just came back from cheating over there. Don't try to gaslight the situation here and talk about.
I be seeing FedEx all throughout the day, so yeah, that's why my shit coming so fast. Cause bitch, I'm telling you, you normally would have to wait 2-3 weeks for my package.
Our child's name is Aya.
That bitch had Friday, April 9th. So I need to go to the post office. Shit.
You know what? I was like, this is a sign that no matter what, because everybody goes through shit. Anybody perfect.
Why she didn't tell me I'm gonna have to get a key actually made? She just said take this to the post office and they'll give you your key. So I'm thinking I just show this and pick up my key. That's why I took so long to go do it.
She got into a snowball of many things. Before even Aya was born, she got into a car accident. Then she
I'm gonna tell the mailman, Mom, I paid for my key.
Then she had
bitch, I forwarded my shit. I gave two mail people my, new address and did all the paper thing. She looking at me crazy like, well, let me go see what he want to do. And bitch, you never went to go see.
Now we're into like February, March of 2020, and she brings divorce talk. Nothing really provoked it. She just felt like the grass is greener, and I'm trying to let her know, like, yo, I've been by your side. In fact, like, I was constantly remind her, like, yo, I'm by your side. Like, you act like you punched this, like, delivered this baby body. I've been there, every step of the way, So I'm thinking, like, could this be postpartum? Be patient with the situation. So she brings the divorce talks. Before the divorce talks, though, this opportunity for this reality show comes into the picture. And I was supportive because I knew like she was ready to take that to the next level. But you know my personality. Like, you can't buy me out. Like, it's nothing. I'm just
it's
not
nothing. It's nothing.
So I was hurt to see that she would take it that far with the kids. And when she brought the paper, I said, get this paper out of here. You're moving shiesty. You're trying to get these kids, full primary custody. And that's when everything was like, she couldn't believe I saw that, Then family members are coming to the house, trying to talk me into it. And I'm just like, I'm not playing fake, man. Keep in mind now, time is going by.
Right.
Now she's trying to find. She's trying to figure out how to slip it. Alright? Y'all better.
You can throw the shrimp away.
Right now, this is about to be real. So,
you wanna throw that shrimp
she
away?
decides to put a big ass $2,000 tracker in my
Alright.
car right here.
Love your time.
Hires a private investigator, texting her, telling her all my moves, all day long. She's getting mad when the private investigator is just saying, he's at the park. I'm just at the park, literally, just kind of like soul searching, trying to figure out, what is this all about?
I got another crab and some corn and shrimp to finish eating. My video getting long, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the Real Bitch channel. Peace.